how to fix video moderated error on Grok AI. In this video I will show step by step.
Open phone setting. Open apps. Now search Grok. Now clear cache.
Now make sure update Grok.
Now check your internet connection. If you use Wi-Fi, switch mobile data, and if you use mobile data, switch Wi-Fi. Now open Grok.
Hopefully solve your problem.